Welcome back, guys, to another video. And before I go too far, I want to update you a little bit on the Ford Mustang. The car is still on the shop, and a day or two the car should be home, and then we will release another video soon. But let's go back to a new build. We got new build and I'm really excited about this build. And well, we got it like I would say over 2 weeks ago, but it took forever to bring this car from New York to California. I think it's because of the weather condition, and it's a long way too. Yeah, with the snow and everything, it took forever. So there is the truck. That's the new build. It's a 2020 Gladiator Jeep, and I'm really excited to build this truck. I can't wait to put my hands on this thing. Before I show you all the damage and everything this truck has, I want to wash it because it's unbelievable. It's like super dirty. It has like a 1/8 inch of dirt on this truck. But yeah, I'll wash it right now and then we go from there. Jeep is finally clean. It looks a little different. I don't know if that's a good thing for the Jeep or not. They're designed to be dirty. It's an off-road truck, you know. But I love the colors. Doesn't mean this color is gonna stay. We're planning to change the color with vinyl wrap, but that's later. Now let me show you something what I really like. What they did. We got this. Actually got this Jeep from Copart, and sometimes you get the truck with or car with no parts, something missing and stuff. This time they saved everything. And yeah, everything is damaged, but like every little thing is gonna cost money later on, which it's good that it's here. All the clips or like the bumper is damaged, but it has the fog lights. We have the plastic that goes on the bottom, the rock slider, everything is here. The fender the fender is bad, but at least I don't have to pay for the signs and everything, which that was lucky. Now another thing, I like how they saved every bolt, every clip, everything. They put in nice plastic bags, and everything was there. It came with 2 keys. I barely get that. It's always 1 key. One is still over there on the second one. So that's another lock for us. But other than that, everything looks awesome. I like the car. There is almost like no surprises. I kind of knew what I get with the damage and everything. This is the damage. Looks like we have some suspension work, because this wheel, it's a little pushed this way, and there is a bar that's pretty bent over here. I hope this is just the one thing they have to change to fix that. And then of course the hood, grill, bumper, and I kind of wanted to get one with all this damage because I'm planning to put a different hood, different grill, and of course different bumper. So the biggest thing probably would be this, but everything is fixable. Now man, but other than that, this truck is sick, man. So I was looking inside how to open the hood, and there's nothing inside, which they have this nice little locks. You unlock the hood and then open like every car from over here. Now the damage over here, it's not that bad actually. I I have feelings the old radiator, everything is good because no antifreeze didn't leak. It's just radiator support. Maybe this headlight, maybe not, but I will change both of them. I'll get nicer ones. But everything looks like it's bolt in, so it should be easy to change. Just unbolt it, put a new one, and go from there. That's under the hood. It comes with 3.6 V6. It should be a good engine. I'm not sure how many horsepower. They didn't research yet. It should be enough. If not, we'll add more. Maybe later on, we'll, first I'll try to do the basic stuff, like put in nicer bumpers with the hinge and different hood, probably a Rubicon hood, nicer grille. We might get different fender flares. I don't really like those ones. Maybe we'll go with different ones because we gonna lift the truck, put on 27s, and I might scratch a little bit, so we'll see. After the lift kit, we'll see what kind of wheels we're gonna put and everything. The antenna is missing, but let me show you guys in the back. I really like the bed liner inside, so when you put stuff, it doesn't really slide and you don't really scratch the paint. But this is really nice, and I like the LED lights. I'll open the door for a second and see they go on. Yeah, they're really bright. That's what I like about that. The window on the back that opens, and it has a nice little camera over here, back camera, which a lot of cars do nowadays, but this one is like somewhere over here. It looks pretty cool. Other than that, you have the plugs. We have the toe, everything is here. I like that, and I like the brake light over here, or whatever it is. And look how this thing opens. It kind of takes a minute, but it opens. Pretty nice. Right, guys, I have no idea how to pull everything apart, but I want to do this right now before it gets dark. We have like maybe another hour of daylight. I want to pull everything out to show you guys how it looks like with the roof down and maybe the doors out, and that way you can see the interior better because it's a little dark right now. And another cool thing this Jeep has, the windshield actually goes down over here. I'll try to do that too if I know how to put it down. Maybe I'll have to take this off or not, we'll see. If it's not too much work, I'll put it down and show you guys everything, how this truck looks like with the roof down. Alright guys, so how to pull these doors, there's like a plug to disconnect the power, and then there's another thing that hooks the some kind of strap that holds the door, I guess, so it doesn't swing too hard. And then you unbolt the other thing, and two more bolts, they come from outside over here. And what's cool about this, the Jeep kind of shows you the size over here on the door. So you're pulling this bolt from the bottom and it tells you the size on whatever wrench you need to use. That's pretty cool. But that was really easy for the doors. Now we're gonna get to the top. See how the top over here in the front was pretty easy to pull it out. This is also easy, but it has a couple bolts. It has like one here, one there, and then 6 bolts over here. Other than that, I think we're good. I'll try to take it by myself to see if it's possible for one guy to take the roof apart. If it's not gonna work by myself, then I'll get help. But just to see if this is possible to do it by yourself. Would be a good idea to Google first how to do it, but I'll try to figure it out. Jeep. I'll get to the windshield a little later. I want to show you guys the rear seats. They're pretty cool. There's some storage in the back that I really like it. They're not big, but there's something, you know, to hide something, you know. Yeah, but I'll show you the bottom. What I like about this, that you kind of lift it and it just stays there, and you don't have to pull nothing to drop it. You just kind of drop it. That's pretty cool. Same thing with this one. And this is what's on the bottom. This is pretty deep. So there is, you know, room for something over here. That's the rear seats over here for you. Alright guys, so to drop the windshield, there's like 4 bolts on top. And then this is in our way, you know, but actually that's why I guess you have this, not to damage your windshield, because this one drops to the rubber pieces. Or maybe they even, I don't know, I don't think they open, but yeah. Of course you don't want to drive like that because it's gonna come back. Probably when you go off-roading and go super slow, this one you drop it down. For now, what we're gonna do is there's 2 other bolts over here. I'll pull them out. So it's gonna be the same as the doors. You kind of undo the bolts and slide this thing out. Alright guys, let me show you the keys. They're pretty big and cool looking. Well, for inside, all you need is just the airbag, this seat belt, just this seat belt over here, and then to reset the airbag computer. I'm not gonna go through all the buttons over here. It's automatic, 4x4, and it has everything you see over here. Because it's getting dark on us, I want to still take it for a drive test with no roof to see how it does. I want to check the back camera. Man, this thing is clean. Damn, that thing is clean. Look at that. I wonder if it has some sensors to let me know before I hit something. No, not really. So it doesn't beep or anything. Maybe there's a button they have to set up to let you know, because sometimes the beeping thing is annoying. Time to hit the streets. I really want to see how this is gonna feel with everything empty. Almost like on the boat or a quad. Man, I was a little surprised of the power this thing has. I mean, I didn't expect that, but it's nice. I mean, it has some balls. I really love the roof that comes out. I like the doors that comes out. I don't know about the windshield. I'll probably never put it down or pull it out because I don't see the point of that. Other than that, I love the truck. It's nice. It drives really nice, and just I don't see nothing bad about this truck yet. We'll see as we go. I mean, it's a keeper for sure. We'll play for a couple years and then maybe we'll sell it. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, this is the end of today's video. I still have a lot of work before it gets dark. I want to cover this thing. I don't want, because it's gonna rain tonight, so I don't want no water in this truck. I want to keep it nice and clean. Other than that, I just got a new hoodie. They're super comfortable, good quality material. If you guys want to buy them to support our channel, I will appreciate that. But to buy them, I'll DM me on Instagram because I still don't have a website to sell them. I'll probably post them on eBay or somehow you will get it if you want to buy them. Other than that, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like them, and find us on Instagram. That's the name of the Instagram and the YouTube channel. Catch you guys later. This video, I'm gonna be... Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Other than that, please subscribe to our videos. Other than that, please subscribe to our channel. If you're new, good material. I really love them. If you guys wanna get them, I still didn't. The roof, everything. So there's a lot of more work. You really want it. Other than that, too much. Other than that.